What you say now? This is the straightest stretch of road?
Yeah.
Himself, I blink, I miss it. I now blink, my eye them open up like matchstick catch them up. I now blink. What is it called? What's the road called? Connery? Okay. How can you tell if we're Jamaicans?
I don't know. I have no idea.
This look like Louise leave out something out of the story. Louise, oh, you cover from head to toe, so I mean just in a my little reggae icons thing, and my little tights and thing and thing. Thank God for Paul, super hiker Paul. Him give me one little long sleeve. Can you tell we're Jamaicans? So we're at the riverbed right now. This is the first stop. And here we are, Joel not leaving his camera. Because, you know, he clearly has a job with National Geographic now that I don't know about. But, you know. My backside. Watch bullet. A Bob Marley make you reach up here now. You know, say Bob Marley upon your chest. Make you get up and stand up. And lively up yourself. You know, say Bob cause this. But hey, you're chopping a dog.
How is the hike so far?
Very good, very good.
Guys, we are hiking Soufrière with the famous Sparky baby.
Slowly but surely, our bench.
This is the imaginary bench. Joel, how is it going?
It is amazing.
Hey! Vincent, look good on you.
And the quality of the air and just the nature, it's beautiful to witness. That's some philosophical.
Guys, forgive the heavy breathing. I'm dying.
He went past, he said,
Is that?
cobweb, then you just feel the spider walking on your back. so after the first 20 minutes, I said, Paul, this don't make any sense you being in front. So I said, Ozari here, I'm kind of tired. You come you go in front, so I sent my friend in front to take the cobwebs, boy. But that was something else. Cobweb
I went on a hike
cobweb.
in Udinad and it was pure cobwebs.
Yeah, boy. No, boy. Whatever he was eating them, stop eating them. That thing is coming back. I'd love to see one of those. The gecko.
Watch, this is called wax apple. Heading up to the volcano, and trust me, I have to stop and eat some of this. But right here, I'm here at the bench. This, by the way, is so good.
There, Sparks.
Visibility is not good up here, but I am at the highest point in St. Vincent and the Grenadines at Soufrière. Remember the crater? I'm not try to go over there because I don't want this up here like that. You understand what? Made it. Yeah, so nothing, guys. First of all, we got reggae hikers. He's working to the top of Soufrière. Louise is my inspiration because Louise just recovered from a film and she knows I've been to St. Vincent many times and I finally made it. The lover knows some welcome before explosion, after explosion, years after explosion, but Louise made it happen. This is what you call a go-getter, make it happen person. So I have good visibility today, but when I go over this, I'm not trying this up here. Over in there, so greater. So guys, make it. So guys, I made it. Team Jamaica, it's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Everybody have dreams to go, yeah? I dreams of
The weather ain't clearing up.
Listen, you better wear really good hiking shoes to climb this mountain because coming down is a lot of loose material. You have to have grip and stability. And the weather up there can be very unpredictable, so be careful.
So, on top of Soufrière, this bust me ass on video and she laughing. Wow. Wow. This is what I should leave her ass behind just for that. Look for Sparks. Just now, serious? Oh. Guys, we made it up to the top of Soufrière. Boop, boop, boop. 4,000 feet above sea level, and we are now making our way carefully down the mountain.
I can't see nothing. My glass them fog up.
We made it Sparky's first visit up after multiple trips to St. Vincent. So we're heading down. Look, this is what we have to do, guys. Jesus.
Can't see nothing right now. That's enough fashion. This is a purpose.
Alright, so we're going down.
Honestly didn't realize that I walked so far. Listen, I've just been walking and walking and walking. I can't see the parking lot all now. Like, seriously. Man, this feels like an eternity, but you don't know. We say, don't give up. Gotta get there. Small steps. Dunwich, quick!
My girl, I swear things that we have 1 more hour left.
Joel, come stretch and shut your mouth. I'm actually here, stretching, and this bro comes and is just looking up in my face. You feel bad? No, that green is so pretty, huh?
When we came